Huh? What's going on? My tooth, it's wiggling.
Aha! Looks like you've got a wiggly baby tooth. Don't worry, Min. Let me explain what's happening. Inside the mouth. Under every baby tooth, there's a grown-up tooth quietly waiting its turn. Permanent tooth pushing up. As you grow bigger, your permanent teeth begin to push upward ... Gently moving the baby tooth out of the way. Loose tooth close-up.
Oh, so it's not because I ate too many candies?
Ha, nope. It's a natural part of growing up. Baby tooth falls out. Your baby tooth falls out to make room for the new, stronger tooth. New tooth grows in.
Wow!
This new tooth is tougher and stronger, perfect for chewing yummy food.
Wow, that means I'm growing up.
You sure are. Just remember to brush every day and keep your new teeth sparkling clean.
Question for you.
Here's a question for you. Which tooth do you think falls out first? A. Front teeth. B. Molars. Try it out. Remember to leave a comment below the video.
Thanks for exploring with us today.
See you next time for more science fun.
Subscribe for more fun videos.